Hello guys and welcome to Cooking with Sadaf. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing cappuccino cake. So first we need all of our ingredients in room temperature. In a bowl full of sugar, crack 4 eggs, then add pure vanilla extract and mix in the egg and sugar together until there are no lumps of sugar left. You don't have to make it until it's reached a ribbon stage, just until it's soft and there is no sugar left. Then add oil, mix it together. And to your dry mixture, which includes flour, add baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then stir in your dry mixture all together to remove any lumps. In your coffee, add your milk to make your cappuccino mixture. And add the cappuccino mixture and the egg mixture into your dry mixture. Then whisk it in together until there are no lumps of flour left. Please make sure not to overmix your batter because it will lead into very hard and dense cakes. You can use an electric mixer, but using a hand whisk is more ideal. Then don't forget to scrape down the bowl to make sure that there are no lumps left. Pour your batter into your prepared pan. I buttered my pan and then dust it with flour. Bake your cake. I hope you have enjoyed this cake. If so, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.